Good morning. Very good morning, children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes. Then that thing we will start. Okay. Let's tell me what is the date today, children. Today the date is 6th. We are in the month of October. Year is 2021. Today Wednesday, right? Yes. Wednesday you have English. Yes. Yes. Then let us see thought for the day. Always end the day with a positive thought. Always end the day with your positive thought. Okay? This is the thought for the day. Yes? Yes. Then let us start. Yes, children, where we were? Yes, in the module 4 English workbook, right? Yes, please take out your English workbook part 1. Yes. There we completed. Yes, till page number 35 we completed, right? In previous class what all we learned, children? Yes, sentence dictation. Yes, then name pictures, right? Exercises. Then grammar, pronouns, right? What is pronoun, children? Pronoun is nothing but where is the naming words. Instead of naming words we will use the pronoun, right? That is pronoun. Okay. Because always naming words we cannot be mentioning in the sentence, right? So instead of naming words we will use pronouns like we, they, I, them. Yes, right. We. These and all are pronouns. So we will use these pronouns in that sentence. Okay? Are you getting? Yes. Then what we learned? Subject pronoun, object pronoun. What is the subject pronoun, children? Subject pronoun takes the place of the subject in a sentence. Subject, that means naming word. Okay. Yes, example see. She ate an apple. She ate an apple. Okay. Here the subject is she. Which is subject here? She. She is the subject pronoun. Okay, subject pronoun. Okay, then ate is a action. Ate is action part. Then apple it is subject. Object. Children. It is object. Apple is an object only, right? A thing, right? So it is an object pronoun. Apple is an object pronoun. Okay, keep it in your mind. This is a subject pronoun where instead of naming word which you are using, right? That is subject pronoun. Example, she, he, I, like that, we, this and all are subject pronouns. Okay, then object pronoun, any object, things or animal, right? So that all comes under the object pronoun. Okay? Yes. Example, instead of apple we will use it. Yes, it. Then it, her, this and all. Okay? This and all comes under the object pronoun. Yes. In previous class we learned, right, children? Yes. Then we learned some of the list like subject pronoun with singular and plural. Singular means one, plural means more than one. Okay. Subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it. Okay. Then plural form we will use we, you, they. Okay. Object pronouns we will use in singular is me, you, him, her. Yes, and it also. Okay. Then in plural we will use us, you, them. Yes. When you are yourself and others also you are using, right? You are telling to yourself and for others also. Right? That comes under the plural, because you are not telling only about yourself. You are telling about others also. Right? So that is plural only. Yourself means you are only one single person, right? But if you are telling for others also, then many, right? Many of them are group like that, right? So that will become a plural. So plural object we will use we, us, only in subject pronouns also. I, you, he, she, it, everything comes under the singular pronoun only, singular subject pronoun only, right? We, you, they, right? If you are using we, you, they, yes, you are telling about yourself also and about others also. So that becomes a plural, right? Are you getting, children? Yes. So this is all we learned in the previous class, right? Yes. Today, open page number 36. Yes. Exercise 3.1. Write whether the underlined pronouns are subject pronoun or object pronoun. One is done for you. Yes, see here, children. In this page number 34, you have here. Yes, you should underline the what? Pronouns. That is subject pronoun. You should underline. Underline the pronouns. First you should underline the pronoun. Then you should mention whether it is subject pronoun or object pronoun. Okay. See, one is done. He threw the ball to me. Okay. He threw the ball to me. Me is a what? It is a pronoun. Right. They have been underlined. Okay. Me. Then this is me is which? Object pronoun or subject pronoun? It is object pronoun. Understand, children? Yes, because he is throwing the ball here. Ball is an object, right? Then it becomes object pronoun. Okay. Then next. It bit me hard. It bit me hard. Okay. It here. It is the pronoun. It is the pronoun. Bit me hard. Bit me hard. Means it bit me. Me is subject here. Correct. You. Right. Then it bit me hard. Here object is not there. Correct, children? Object is not there. So it becomes subject pronoun. You should write subject pronoun. Don't write SP. You should write full form. Subject pronoun. Okay. Write on the board, children. Copy down. See, second one is only answers I will write. Okay, you will copy in the page number 36. Okay, it is a subject pronoun. Okay, then third one. What is that? Alifia gave her an ice cream. Gave her an ice cream. Ice cream is object, correct? Yes. Then which sentence it is? What it is? Yes, object pronoun. Write down object pronoun. Because we are mentioning one object in the sentence, right? So it becomes object pronoun. Okay? Yes. Then next. Underline the her. Already they have underlined. Right? Her is a pronoun. Then I do not know. Fourth one. I do not know that. Okay, I do not know that. I is a pronoun here. Right? I do not know that. There is no any object in the sentence. Any object is there? Anything, non-living thing is mentioned there? No, right? Then it is a subject pronoun. Because I is subject pronoun. Right? Write down subject pronoun. Okay. Then next, fifth one. What is the fifth question? The teacher did not call him. The teacher did not call him. Call him. Okay. Call. You know. Yes, that is a thing, right? So object pronoun. Write down object pronoun. Okay, then sixth one. We are very happy to hear that. We are very happy to hear that. We are very happy, yes, to hear that. There is anything object in that? No, right? Then subject pronoun. Yes. Write down subject pronoun. Okay, children? Is completed. It's complete now only. Yes. Then next what we have? Next we have replacing noun with pronouns. Okay. Mohit can see Sahil. Mohit waves to Sahil. Mohit greets Sahil. Here all are naming words, right? Everything is in naming words. For everything, Mohit Sahil, Mohit Sahil, Mohit Sahil, like that they are given the sentence, right? Here we have to replace that. Instead of naming words, we will use pronoun that. Okay. Here we can use he in the place of Mohit. Mohit is a boy, right? Then we will use he for the Mohit. Okay. He and him. He and him we can use because him, that boy, another boy is there, right? Sahil. So for him, you are telling about him. So him, boy means him, girl means her, right? Boy means he, boy means her. He. Like that you can use, right, children? Yes, of Sahil after the first time. Yes, first time you can use the naming word. But again the sentence, in the sentence, if name is coming, then you can use he, she, like that. Him, they, them, like that. Okay, you can use like that. See, answer is Mohit can see Sahil. First you can write the names, naming words. Mohit can see Sahil. Then the other sentence you can write he. He waves to him. He greets to him. He, him you are using. Understanding, children? Yes. Then turn next page. Exercise 3.2. Rewrite the sentence with the correct object pronouns for the underlined nouns. One is done for you already. See. The fairy gave Meera 3 wishes. Here Meera is underlined. Okay. Rewrite the sentence with the correct object pronoun. Object pronoun you should use. For the underlined noun. For the underlined noun you should use the object pronoun. The fairy gave 3 wishes. The fairy gave Meera 3 wishes. Instead of Meera, Meera is a girl. So what you will use? The fairy gave her 3 wishes. Okay, like that. Then mother read a story to Poonam and Shreya. Mother read story to Poonam and Shreya. Poonam and Shreya are people. Yes, you can use them. Yes, mother read story to them. Okay, instead of mentioning their name, there you can use a pronoun that is them. Okay, yes, I will write that answer also. Copy down, children. Yes, I will copy. Watch the video and complete it. Yes, I will write only answers. You also write down in a page number 37, children. Here the exercise 3.2. Okay, second answer is mother read a story to them. Instead of Poonam and Shreya, you will use them. Okay? Yes. Then next is third question. What is the third one? Papa gave Farhan and me a few books. Farhan and me. So here you are telling about yourself and another person. So what you should use there? Yes, Papa gave us. You and that boy. Okay, us. We. Don't use we. You should use us only. Gave us a few books. Okay, write down. Papa gave us a few books. Okay. Here you are using us instead of Farhan and me. Okay. Then next, fourth one. The clown did a trick for the students. The clown did a trick for the students. The clown did a trick for them. The students, instead of the students, you can use them. Okay, them is a pronoun. Okay. Yes. The clown did a trick for them. Instead of the students, them. Okay. Then next, the teacher gave Ayaz a new book. Ayaz is a boy. You can add him. Okay, there. The teacher gave him a new book. Okay. The teacher gave him a new book. Okay. Yes. Instead of Ayaz, you are writing him. Okay. Yes. Then sixth one. The baker gave the cake to Meera. The baker gave the cake to Meera. Cake. Yes. Instead of the cake, what you use? It. Okay. It. The baker gave it to Meera. It to Meera. Okay. Yes. Complete it fast, children. Yes, write down. Then next what we have, exercise 3.3. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct pronouns. One is already done for you. The squirrel family is going for a picnic. Okay. See, they have given the option. You should choose the correct pronoun and write there. Okay. They have packed a picnic basket. Dash it or them is filled with nuts, fruits and seeds. Yes, let us see. Yes, which you will choose. Yes, see here. See, they have packed a picnic basket. Okay. Then what you will use? It or them is filled with nuts, fruits and seeds. Yes, these are non-living things, right? Nuts, fruits, seeds and all. So, what you should use? It. Okay. Write down it. It is filled with nuts, fruits and seeds. Okay. Then, Papa squirrel is running around dash. Around dash where us will get late if we do not hurry. Yes. What you will use? Tell me, children. We will get late if we do not hurry, or us will get late. Correct? Us. No, right? So what you will use? We. Write down we. We will get late if we do not hurry, she says. Okay. Mummy squirrel is not worried. Dash worry. Dash worry too much, she tells Papa squirrel. Right, what you will use here? They, you. You worry, you. Okay, because she is telling to other person. You worry. Okay, you worry too much, she tells Papa squirrel. For Papa squirrel she is telling. So you. Right? Yes. Then next is, meanwhile baby squirrel is packing paper, plates and glasses. He puts dash in the picnic basket. What he will put? He puts they or them in the picnic basket. Which you will use, children? He puts them. He puts they in the picnic. They, it is not correct, right? So what you should use? Them. Write down them. He puts them in the picnic basket with the food. Okay. He says the plates and glasses are with dash. With I or me. The plates and glasses are with I. No, that is not correct, right? So, me. We will use me pronoun. Okay. The plates and glasses are with me. Okay. Write down like that. Then next what we have, exercise 3.4. Replace the underlined words with the suitable subject and object pronouns and complete the passage. One is done for you. Yes, children. Next is exercise 3.2, right? We have one passage. Here they have underlined yes, the naming words. You have to use pronouns there, correct pronouns, okay? Yes, Rushi is good friends with her brother. Rushi and Ricky are having an ice cream cone each. They love eating ice cream. Till there they have given here, right? See, till here they have given. Now you have to start writing from here, okay? See, I have already written in the board. Instead of Rushi, I have added she, okay? You have to write instead of Rushi, she, okay? Because she is a girl. She always buy him, who? Ricky. There it is mentioned in the passage Ricky. Instead of that, I have used him because he is a boy. Him, ice cream, okay? Ricky says, Ricky am enjoying. Ricky, instead of Ricky, I. Okay, I am enjoying this ice cream. Rushi says, let Ricky and me. Instead of Ricky and me, I have used you as us. Okay, they both are there. So, us. Take some ice cream for mommy and papa. Rushi and Ricky buy some ice cream cones for mommy and papa is there. Instead of mommy and papa, I have used them. Okay? Yes, like that. Instead of that naming part, with naming words, you are using pronoun there. Understanding, children? Yes. Please complete this in the page number 38 in these blanks. Okay? Yes. Then next we have writing, make sentence. Okay? See, I will show in the book itself. Write down now itself, children. Watch the video and complete it. Yes. They have given the words. Okay? They have given the words. You have to make your own sentence. See, care. Her parents take good care of her. Okay, care should come in the sentence. Okay, pet. I give my pet dog a bath every day. You can write I give my pet dog biscuits, like that you can write. Your own sentence you can write. I have written like this. Okay, you can complete like this. Then next, help. Rohan like to help his friends and family. Yes, like that you can write, or I like to help others also you can write your own sentence. Okay, then mother. My mother loves me very much. Or you can write I love my mother very much. Like that also you can make your own sentence. Then friends. I play football with my friends every evening. You can write football is my favorite game, or football is a national game, our national game, like that you can write. Okay, you can use different words. Okay, and I like to play with my friends, like that you can use. Then smile. Our teacher gave us a big smile. Or I like to be always smiling. Like that also you can write your own words. Okay, this is your homework. Few of the things I have given, few you should only write. Okay, don't write the same own sentence, children. You will try your own sentence to write. Okay, then turn next page, last only. We will complete of this fastly, quickly. Okay, naming part and action part sentence. A sentence has two parts, that is naming part, action part. Two parts are there for one sentence. Okay, the naming part will tell us who or what the sentence is about whom it is. So that will tell the naming part. The action part will tell us the naming part does, what the naming part is doing, that the action part will tell us. Okay, exercise 4.2. Here are some sentences that need naming parts or action parts. Add words to the sentence and complete them. Okay, you should add the sentence. See, Ramesh likes to eat mangoes. Write down, likes to eat mangoes. Okay, complete it, children. Now only. Likes to eat mangoes. Can you see? Yes, children. You should add a naming part and action part. Okay, so Ramesh is a naming part. You have to add action part. Likes to eat mangoes. Dash are swimming in the pool. You have to write the children are swimming. The children. Okay, the children are swimming in the pool. Arya and Suji. Arya and Suji are best friends. This is the naming part. I should write action part. Are best friends. Okay. Then my dog Bruno likes to run in the ground. Okay, grass, run in the grass. You can write my dog Bruno likes to run in the grass. Okay, this is the, yes, naming part. This is an action part. Okay, we is a naming part, like going to beach. We like going to beach. Okay, like going to beach is action part. Then dash go for holiday. Yes, Pinky and Rohan. Pinky and Rohan are naming part. Okay, go for holiday is action part. Okay, write down children. Now itself you should copy down. Complete it children. Yes, watch the video and complete it. Okay. Yes. Then we completed this module 4. Okay, only 2 pages. That's why it took a little bit more time. Okay. Yes, please watch the video and complete full today's pages. Okay, today's pages from page number 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Okay, please complete it and send it in the group for correction. We will end up the class. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.